Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I'm a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I'm actually going to show you a 90-day follow-up video to an unboxing that I never actually posted on my YouTube channel. So this was a Jomar box and it was 25 Torrid dresses. So I always do my unboxings live right here on my channel. I don't open the box before I turn on the camera and cut it open with you. If you guys have watched my other videos, you've probably seen that. So this one, when I opened it up live on camera, I had a little bit of a surprise that was different than what I was expecting. And so I cut the camera and I never actually posted what I got in that box. So if you follow me on Instagram though, you probably saw that it was 25 of the exact same dress when I opened the box. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the original video because it was hilarious. My reaction was so funny. I have watched it a couple times and I just laugh. But I do wanna update you guys on what actually happened with that box and was I able to sell 25 of the exact same dress? Did it actually, turn me a profit? So if you like videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like I said, I do all of my unboxings that I get when I order online. I unbox everything live. I give you my genuine reaction to what came in the box. And then I also update you 90 days later after I've posted everything, after I've sold everything. Did this box return a profit for me within 90 days? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and play you a portion of the original video so you can see my initial reaction. Today is another unboxing. This is a Jomar box, and this is all Torrid dresses. So of course I started this video because I was super excited to open the box and I forgot to look at my receipt and see exactly what it's supposed to be, but I'll put it over here. And hopefully there is a receipt in here. So as you guys know, I do all of my unboxings real time. So of course this is recorded, but I haven't opened this yet. So I haven't gone through it. I don't know what's in here. I want us to see together like real time and you can get my actual reaction to what's in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and break the seal now. So I'll show you guys everything that's in here. I'll go over what my cost of goods was. I see a receipt already sticking out, so that's good. And then once I get all this stuff listed and it's been up for sale for 90 days, I'll come on here on my channel and I'll do an update and I'll tell you guys exactly like what sold, how much it sold for, what I still have listed, and then I'll kind of give an assessment of, whether I think the box was profitable or worth my time. So I have purchased quite a bit of inventory from Jomar. Sometimes it's really good and sometimes it's not. It is kind of a mystery. So, so this is gonna be really easy. So I'm not even going to show you what's in this box yet. I have to go back and look, and I'll update this video because I can't look right now. But this is all these dresses are exactly the same. Look at this box. This is 25 of this same dress. Like, okay, it's a cute dress, but why I have 25 of the same dress? Like, I gotta see. This is funny, you guys. I gotta see if this is like me and I didn't read it properly and so I didn't realize what I was getting, or did they like not tell me that this was gonna be 25 of the same dress? Actually, I'm gonna stop this video and I'm gonna look and I'm gonna see what it says. Hold on. Seriously hilarious, right, guys? I cannot believe that I did not realize there were 25 of the same dress in that box when I ordered it. So I was expecting 25 Torrid dresses, and I expected that they were going to be all different. And then when I opened the box, I was very surprised that it was 25 of the same dress. And when I actually went back and read the description on the Jomar website, it did say that it was 25 of the same dress. And I just was so impulsive because I thought I was getting a good deal on Torrid dresses that I just purchased the box and did not realize. So let me run down some stats here. That box cost me, with tax and shipping and everything, $191.50, which is what I have here documented in my notes, which was $7.66 per dress. They were all the same dress, all new with tag. I had 14 size 2, and Torrid is plus size, by the way, so these are plus size. 14 size 2, 4 size 4, and 7 size 5. And like I mentioned, my Instagram, I panicked and I threw it up on Instagram and said, hey, does anybody want some of these? But the fact of the matter is I actually did end up selling all 25 of these dresses on various different platforms within the 90 days. All of these dresses I listed on August 12th, which was probably the day I filmed the original video, because I had the sense of urgency to get them listed and get them gone, right? Especially with fall coming up and they were sort of a fall dress. I sold every last one of these dresses by November 2nd. So every single one of the dresses sold before the 90 days was up. I sold 2 of the dresses on eBay, 6 of them on Facebook Marketplace, 4 of them to my lovely Instagram followers, 2 of them on Mercari, and 11 of them on Poshmark. So every single one of them sold. This box cost me, well, I've got some stats here. The lowest profit was $10.80, which was on one of the Instagram sales. I gave one of my good friends a good deal. The highest sold on eBay for $34.99, which was my full asking price. I paid $191.50 for the box. My total revenue from the box was $485.01, making my profit $293.51. So, I like to at least double to triple my money, especially on liquidation. So this was new with tag. I made 2.5 times my money. My investment was $191.50 and I walked away with $293. So, as you saw in the video, I was scared, I was nervous, I thought I was totally out, I was gonna get stuck with these dresses for ever. And this ended up actually being a really good buy. If you think about it, there wasn't a lot of effort involved. I photographed one of the dresses and I made a multi-quantity listing on all my platforms and just let it happen, right? I mean, the actual picture taking and listing and cross listing and all of that, I didn't have to do that here because it was all the same dress. So is that going to be the case for every single time you get 25 of the same item or some mass quantity of the same item or the same sizes? No, but I'm just saying this to say I would not have purchased this box knowing that it was 25 of the same dress. So it was an accident. I did this by accident. But knowing what I know now and what happened with this dress, it's not always a bad thing. And if it's a sought after style, or if it's something that's in demand, you may very well have something good on your hands. So do your research. I'm posting this to give you my results of my box. I do have some other boxes coming that have some similar, I guess, not necessarily 25 of the same item, but that will give me the opportunity for some more multi-quantity listings. So stay tuned for those. Let me know what you guys think. Have you ever purchased a box that has a large quantity of the same exact item? How did it do for you? Would you purchase a box like this for yourself? Definitely let me know. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on sourcing something like this. Again, also please consider subscribing to my channel. I put out new reseller content about 2 to 3 times a week, and I love showing you my thrift hauls, unboxing videos, what sold videos, and all of that. So definitely consider joining me in a future video. Otherwise, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.